Oh, God.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, Northeastern Belmont County in East Central Ohio, Western Washington County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in Northern West Virginia, Marshall County in Northern West Virginia, Brooke County in Northern West Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Martins Ferry, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Martins Ferry, Bellaire, Warwood, Bethlehem, West Liberty, Philadelphia, Clearview, Valley Grove, Tiltonsville, Bridgeport, and Benwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.